Construction wraps up at one of the state's most popular museums. The University of Nebraska State Museum and Mueller Planetarium have reopened to the public. Morrill Hall has been closed since October for renovations to improve accessibility, add new exhibits, and stabilize its relative humidity and temperature. Workers are getting their ducks in a row and putting the final touches on the 97-year-old building.
Everyone is so ready to welcome back the families, the campus, our student, faculty, and friends, people who love the museum. It's been too quiet in the museum. We've had construction noise, but we haven't had what we consider joyful noise.
The $9.3 million renovation is the largest in the museum's history. Husker students kick up their heels for Miracle Kids. UNL students raised nearly $84,000 at Huskerthon, an 8-hour dance marathon held on campus. The annual event celebrates children who have been treated at Children's Nebraska, a pediatric hospital in Omaha. The children are known as Miracle Kids. This year, 26 Miracle Kids and their families were guests of honor at Huskerthon. The money will be used to build out the cardiac care unit at the hospital. A new UNL scholarship aims to fill a statewide need. Applications are now open for the Nebraska Elite 11 Veterinarian Scholarship Program. Elite 11 offers financial support to Nebraska students pursuing degrees in animal science or veterinary science at UNL's College of Agricultural Sciences and Natural Resources. The livestock industry adds more than $6 billion to the state's annual economy. However, Nebraska and several other states are facing a shortage of livestock veterinarians. The Elite 11 program will remove the cost barrier for Nebraska students interested in production animal veterinary medicine. Applications are available online at casnr.unl.edu/elite11. The university celebrates teen artists from across the state. UNL's Hickson Lead College of Fine and Performing Arts announces the winners of the 27th Annual Nebraska Young Artist Awards. 80 students from more than 40 Nebraska high schools will receive the awards and be invited to visit campus in April for a day of activities. The awards recognize 11th grade students for their talents in visual art, dance, music, theater, film, and emerging media arts. And that's what's happening this week at UNL. I'm Peyton Polad.